Hello, thank you for watching this video. So the updates that we have made are these. The first thing that you'll notice is that the formation can be changed without a problem on the fly. So there is padding between the player. If you take a look, the player can move forward and all of these characters that are behind the player will also move forward, so they'll move in formation. If the player tries to collide with one of them, they're going to move out of the way. So you can see that the character is moving out of the way so that we don't collide. If the character is over here and I press the formation change button, then all of these characters will form around the player. So all the characters will form around the player whenever I change formation. You can see that this is the formation right now, and they did go back a bit to support the player, and if I move forward, which I am right now, they'll follow the player. If I try to move into them, they're going to go away. If I hit this again, you can see that the formation is changed. There you go. Again, if I hit it, the formation will change again, and you can see that players are moving with the player, and the other players are also moving away from the player if the player tries to collide with them. And again, I'll change the formation. You can see that the formation changes almost instantly. You can move ahead. I made small changes to the code. One thing that I have done is I have added some code to the padding handler, and this is basically a sphere cast that checks whether or not we are close to the player which has the ball. If we are close to the player that has the ball, then we move away from the player that has the ball. In off-ball controls, I've added a few other conditions which make the players move with the player that has the ball. In formation change, what I have done is I have a button which can change the formation. So we have select formation position. This is the switch statement that is handling the formation switch. Then we have this, which is get in formation position function. So that will make the players get into formation according to their number. Thank you very much.